South Korean actor Rain has dedicated over 20 years to daily intense exercise to succeed in his career and prevent diabetes, the disease that took his mother's life. Despite his worn-out knee cartilage, he built muscle to overcome the issue, feeling more comfortable on stage and in action scenes. His family history of diabetes serves as a powerful motivator for his exercise routine, as he wants to ensure he stays healthy for his children and avoids becoming a burden to his loved ones. Rain believes that taking care of oneself is essential in preventing illness from affecting the entire family.